Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering should I subscribe? Yes, you should. Mr. Belle has some good videos out there. That's all you have to do. Ding! And you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments you've been leaving and everything. Today I'll be doing something different in the Power XL. Today I'll be air frying some cauliflower. This right here is my cauliflower. I will let it boil for a little while and then I take it out. And the rest of my ingredients is 1 egg, a tablespoon flour, teaspoon garlic powder, teaspoon onion powder, a half a teaspoon salt, and I'll be spraying it with a little olive oil, and I'll be shaking it up with a little ranch seasoning. After it come out the air fryer, I'll be shaking it up and getting everything together, make it nice and tasty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start boiling this cauliflower, and I'll be right back. Okay, as you see, this right here is boiling pretty good. The cauliflower looking nice and good and everything. So I'm gonna let it boil for a little while longer before I take it out. Okay, it's boiling good and everything. I don't want it to get too soft. So I'm gonna take this out and get ready to put it in the Power XL. So what I did, I cracked my egg. So I'm just gonna beat it up for a while. Just like this. Get it nice and good. Take a little flour and put in there. Garlic powder. Salt. I'm just going to beat it up nice and good. You can use anything, a whisk, a fork. I like using a fork. Nice and good. Add just a little more flour. Put this to the side. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut them in half like this. Just like that. Then this one right here, I'm just going to cut again. Two big. This one right there. Cut it like that. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just put them in here in the bowl. Mix them up in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm just sprinkle a little flour on them. So everything kind of stay right on it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to set the power X here on air fry. Set the temperature for 375. And I'm going to set it for, I'm not going to use all of it, but I'm going to set it for 40 minutes. Because I want it to get nice and crispy. Like I said, I'm not going to use all of it. And I'm going to press start. What I'm going to do, I'm going to raise this top up and I'm going to just spray a little olive oil and then get it nice and good. And sit the top down for about a minute or two. Okay, as you see this cauliflower looking nice and good, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just take it and sit it here nice and good. Take it and sit it in like that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to set my camera up a little closer so you can see. You know, Mr. Belle like take you step by step. I'm going to just sit it in like that, and I'm going to close it. Okay, we're going to take a sneak peek at it and see how it's coming out. It's been about 7 minutes and everything. As you see, it's coming out pretty good. I'm going to put this top down and let it finish. It's been 9 minutes. I'm going to take another peek at it and see how it's coming out. It's coming out pretty good. Just flip it over for a minute. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna raise it up. And this right here is gonna be done. I'm gonna press cancel. And all together it was 10 minutes. So I'm gonna take them out, put them in this pan so we can shake them up together. Good. You don't want them to be too hard. You want to taste the softness in them too. And what I'm going to do now, is put a little shake on it. Just shake it up, just like this. Just like that. This right here is your air fried cauliflower. So this is so hot, I'm still gonna try to taste mine. That is good, tasty. You should try it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! And you will subscribe to Mr. Belle channel. Thank you.